Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Hump's World, and today we have the watch face of the week, so stay tuned, it's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today is hump day and we are going to get over the hump. Now I got a nice watch face for you all to check out. This is the watch face of the week, and you know I try to bring you something nice, something unique, and I think I've done it with this one. Now it's by OW. The name of the watch face is called Zosma-Blu. Now, this is a very nice, unique looking watch face. It comes in 6 different colors. So if this is not your color, you can choose another one. They even have white. Now, in always on mode, you're going to get the same look. Just going to be dimmed down. You're even going to get the color as well. Now, up at the top, when it's on, you're going to get animation of the seconds. You come down, you have your minutes, and you come down a little bit further than that, you're going to get your hour and big bold numbers. And if you're a guy like me who wear glasses, this watch face is on point. You come down a little bit more, you're going to get your month, your date, and your day. And you're also going to get your battery percentage all the way down at the bottom. I'm thinking this is a good look. I do like the background theme it is. It's not a bad look at all. I'm thinking, yes. It made the cut. Why it made the cut? Because it was unique. So I thought this would be a nice one to review. And it is affordable in the Gear Manager store. I suggest you at least go in and take a look. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, enjoy hump day, have fun, and enjoy. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.